Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Christopher, makeup artist and esthetician. Today I'd like to show you a new look featuring Aloette's spring colors. Begin your look by applying Flawless HP Prime and Perfect all over the lid. For an easy and fun daytime look, we're going to apply yogurt to the inner corner of the eye and up into the brow bone. Use your eye silk brush to apply sangria lightly all over the eyelid, working up towards the crease and towards the inner corner of the eye. Use your waterproof espresso brown liner to lightly line the upper eyelid. As an extra professional tip, use your precision liner brush to softly blend your brown eyeliner and to make the line nice and smooth. Polish your eye look with an application of Intensity Stretch Mascara. Apply face paint in Peekaboo to the lips for a soft pop of color. I hope you enjoyed today's look from Aloette's new spring color Sangria. Thanks for watching.